everyone, I'm Chelsea and welcome to the first video of my channel here on YouTube. So the look I have for you today is inspired by the Winter Olympics that just passed. And I know this video is going up a little bit late and I kind of have a reason for that, but that's not important right now. So this is a look that incorporates the three metal colors, gold, silver, and bronze. So I have all these colors here, and I thought I'd pair it with a really classic red lip just to keep it looking very classic and not too trendy, even though, you know, if you look closely at my eyes, it's actually a little bit, like, dare I say, artistic. Like, I just feel like it's a little more artsy to do it the way I did it. But yeah, okay, so I hope you enjoy the look, and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you do when to achieve the look that I'm showing you right now is you are going to get some primer. So I have this Too Faced shadow primer. So I'm going to put it on a little bit on my eyes, just like this. Make sure you smooth it out all the way to the brow bone. That way when you put on highlight, it'll make it pop more. Okay, so after you prime your eyes, you're going to take your Urban Decay Naked palette, and we're going to use Half Baked, which is this really deep, true gold brown color. So, right there. See that? That one right here I'm pointing at. And we're going to put it all over the lid. Next, you're going to go back to your Naked palette, and you're going to use the next three colors, which is right here, Smog, Dark Horse, and Toasted. And we're going to mix them together to create a bronzy color. And we're going to put this on our lid, on our crease. So do the same thing to both eyes. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora and Pantone palette, and I'm going to choose a very silvery color. So this color right here, which is called Paloma. And I'm going to lightly line my lower lash line with this. I'm also going to bring it out a little bit so that it'll look like I'm kind of having like this winged eye effect using this silver shadow. See, I just go right past there. And follow the curve of my eyes. Now, taking another brush, which looks like this, I'm going to go ahead and use this color as my highlight color. So I'm just going to dip it in there. And I'm going to start with the corner of my eyes, the inner corners, just to brighten them up subtly. I'm also going to use a broader brush, so it looks like this. And I'm going to go back to that highlight color, and I'm going to use it to sweep it all over my brow bone. See, it just adds this little pop of light and draws the attention towards your eyes. Next, we're going to move on to liner, and I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Liner 24-hour in Blackest Black, so just, you know, standard black gel eyeliner. And I'm going to use this angled brush to quickly line my eyes. Just make it really thin so that you can actually see the colors of the shadow. So once I'm done with that, I'll also do my waterline. So if you don't know how to do it, you just press really lightly on your socket and to expose this flap of skin, and you could easily just line it without damaging your makeup or putting too much strain on your eyes. Now do the same thing for the other eye. When trying to achieve a really thin liner, just be sure to press your brush exactly where your lashes are. That's the trick. Like, a lot of people might find it, there are some people who find it hard to line their eyes evenly. You just kind of press against your lashes right on top of them, and you'll get a very simple thin line. So that's how you line your eyes. Okay, so now onto mascara. Right here, I'm going to use the Benefit They're Real mascara, and I'm going to just put on 2 coats of this on my top and bottom lashes. Now, I know some people might point out that I did not curl my lashes. My lashes curl upwards naturally, just slightly. So I just tend to skip it most of the time, just because I think it makes my lashes look more natural that way, which, I mean, obviously, because I haven't done anything to them. And I like the natural look more. And that's it for the eyes. And now I'm gonna move on to cheek. I'm gonna use NARS Orgasm. So it looks like this. It's just like a nice peachy pink. I'm gonna use this fluffy blush brush from Equal Tools. And just put a little bit on there and dab it on the apples of my cheeks. It looks good in real life, but on camera you actually can't see it very well, so I'm just going to put a little bit more just for the sake of the video. But I mean, when you do it yourself, you just know to see, like, if you start seeing a little bit of pink, you should just keep it at that. That way you don't look all like flushed out. Yeah. And now I'm going to go with a really simple classic red lip. So I'm going to use my lip liner, and I am going to quickly line my lips with this. So you just draw a line like this. And I'm also going to be filling them in. It'll help your lipstick stay on for a lot longer and keep it from bleeding out. And now I'm going to use a red lipstick, and mine is the Chanel one in Pirate. It looks like this. It's just a nice classic, you know, fire engine red. And I'm actually going to be applying this straight from the bullet. I feel like this particular bullet, the way it's shaped, it's actually really, it conforms really well to the shape of my lips. So I'm able to put it on without having to use a brush, which kind of just saves me a little bit of time and effort. looks really bright on camera, actually. I just noticed that. Yeah. So that is the completed look. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, go ahead and subscribe for more, and also leave a comment below if you want to see certain types of videos that I would like to see what you suggest. And so yeah, I guess until the next video. All right, bye.